Alright, so we're going to be doing some talking about electronics today. Um, this is a setup for the DJ helmet, and basically it works like this. You have your control board for the servos, your switch, and then I have another switch I got to pull down from my box up there. I put some stuff away. So you have three controls on top. Now, what I'm planning on doing is actually putting an RJ45 connector or Ethernet cable on the back end of this. So that being the case, I've got a connection from the box all the way up to the helmet. So this would be the helmet here, and as you can see, basically it would be your eight cables coming off of, or eight wires coming off the cable. So three of them will be used for servos. That's a positive, negative, and then a signal wire. Positive, negative for the LED eyes, that'd be 12 volt, and then positive, negative for the fan, which is also 12 volt. So there'll be one unused wire. Now I've done some thinking about this and was trying to figure this out, and essentially there are two servos in the helmet to lift the faceplate. So if I use an RJ45 connector and it's only got 8 connections in it, okay, and we need 3 for the servo, because you got your positive, your negative, and your signal wire. Let's say we add another servo, so that's a positive, negative, and your signal wire. That means we only have 2 wires available for power, which would be positive, negative. Those 2 wires would have to run the LEDs and the fan. The problem is I don't want the fan running all the time. I want the fan to be switchable. So the other option would be for me to install a switch on the side of the helmet somewhere, a little push button switch. So basically you can turn it off and turn it on. Kind of didn't want to do that. It's a little bit too much extra wiring. However, I have figured out a way to make it so there's only 3 wires that are being used for both servos. Anybody want to guess to what that is? Leave them in the comments down below, and we'll discuss it. So basically that's the setup. I'm going to get the rest of the equipment tomorrow, and everything should be up and running by tomorrow. So I've been running a little bit late. The fan installation took a little bit longer than I thought. Let's see if I have that helmet around here somewhere. Yes, hold on. So here's the fan install. I still have to install the cover on top of this, but once that's done, then I got to put the servos in. So, and I built some linkage mounts, or some mounts basically to put the servos in. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, and obviously, as always, guys, do your thing. Thanks.